Hello everyone, this is another video on the Nadaraya Watson Indicator and how to make profit with it. As simple as that is, as simple as that sounds, may not be as easy, but with this strategy, hopefully you'll be able to, find consistency. All right, so I'm going to show you guys a simple strategy. It comprises of the Nadaraya Watson Indicator as our base, and it has to do with bank levels. So I'm going to show you guys bank levels. So bank levels are rounded numbers. I'm going to just show this out. So the whole concept behind this is you want to look for rounded numbers. For example, 0, 0, 0. Give me a second. Coordinates 0, 0. And why do you want to do that? Because big banks and hedge funds are most likely to buy at whole numbers. They wouldn't buy at 6056. That is so random. So they normally buy in big figures and rounded numbers. So those are key areas for you to look for trades. So let's say, for example, I've got another one. So we're gonna work in 500. So this is 500. I'm gonna put 500 here. We're gonna work in 500. 500. The next one should be 1,000. Let's just say 1,000, and so on and so forth. Let's say 500. Another one. Let's do 1,000. All right, let's do 1,000. 1,000. Cool. So you notice that they're evenly spread out, and I'll show you guys something. Right, I'm gonna drag these a little bit back. And drag it a little bit back. All right, cool. Just like that. I want to show you how to use this, right? 2 rules and only 2 rules. And I'm gonna add. Let me add a few more. Gonna copy these. Just gonna duplicate them. Duplicate this. Gonna make this be in 500. All right, cool. So these are even, right? So there are 2 rules. Wait for price to approach a bank level, like this one, for example. Price approaches the bank level. You can see. Actually, 3 rules. Trade with the trend. That's the first rule. Trade with the trend. Number 2, wait for price to approach a bank level, like this one. As you can see, price came into this bank level. Number 3, wait for price to break out of your Bollinger Band and close back in. As you can see, it closed back in. Now you want to take a trade. As simple as that. Take a sell. Stop loss. You're targeting the most recent low. And this strategy is great because it's a very high win rate strategy. So, yeah, you definitely want to check it out. Another. I'm gonna show you guys another example. As you can see, price. So price typically touches the bank level, but it doesn't break out. That's the whole essence. It didn't break out, so we don't get in the trade. So you can see price came to this key level again, bank level. Came right there. Broke out of the Bollinger Band. That's a nice trade. It has to close back in. Remember that. It has to close back in. Take a trade. Target the most recent low. That's a nice risk reward. As you can see, yeah, those are the 2 trades that I can find for now. If another option, let me look for one more. Look for one more. You can see if I extend this back, I'm gonna align it to, yeah, there we go. If I extend this, you will see that price came to this level, came to this bank level. Price broke out of the Bollinger Band, came back right in, and that was a nice sell. So try this strategy. Very simple to use, very effective. If you got any questions, let me know. Yeah, it works the same way with buy signals. You want to wait for, let's say, for example, I'm going to extend this bank level. I'm going to extend it somewhere here. I think yeah. Oof, there we go. Cool. So you can see price came into this level, bank level, broke out of our Bollinger Band, closed right back in. Normally when it leaves a wick, there's more confluences. Like it's more confluences. Close right back in. Take your buy 1 2 3. That's quite sick. So yeah, it's quite a nice strategy. And one thing I've started to do is, if you can look at my screen, is I am putting down the best strategies that I've discovered. So one of the best strategies I discovered recently was Nadaraya plus the breakout strategy. Check it out on my channel. It's probably one of my most recent videos, and this happens to be my new favorite actually. It's tested and it does work. I've traded this strategy for over, I think, a year and a half, and it does work. So I'm just gonna say Nadaraya plus bank level. Cool. So these are my two top strategies with the Nadaraya Watson Indicator. Do check it out. Yeah, man. And I'll see you guys on the next video.